The Ecological Building, located in Minhang district of Shanghai, it awarded first prize for National Green Architectural Renovation, contains numerous high-tech architectural achievements. Shanghai Gaoxin Aluminum Engineering Company Limited is just one of the developers that have made such contributions. The company is located in Shanghai Qinpu Industrial Park, a beautiful area close to the Fujian Mountain Cultural Relic, one of the two regions of Chinese culture of the Yellow River and the Yangtze River. The company was incorporated in 1993 and is specialized in providing design, processing, and installation services with respect to architecture, curtain walls, doors, and window systems. It has acquired the highest qualification for professional service provision, passed international certifications of quality management, environment management, and occupational health, and is one of the earliest high-tech companies recognized in Shanghai. Its plant occupies several hundred moons of land and is divided into areas for office, production, and living uses. Its workshop consists of digital control production lines imported from Germany, Italy, and the USA, Korea, and Japan. It is used for producing curtain walls, windows and doors, insulating glass, and platework respectively. The test center inside the plant is made up of a material testing laboratory and a product testing laboratory. Its product exhibition hall is more like a cornucopia, which not only contains the room for display in the door and window sets applicable to villas, living rooms, and high-rising buildings. The 1:1 curtain wall prototypes, the high-performance glass and metals, and the ornamental products used in public and private buildings, but also manifest the energy efficiency and environmental protection philosophies in its products. If the exhibition hall only reflects the research and development capability of the company, then hundreds of projects that have been accomplished in the previous years are the de facto practices of these capabilities. The municipal government's mansion, which is located in People's Plaza in central Shanghai, was not only the new landmark of Shanghai in the early stage of China's reform and opening up, but also the first project completed by Gaoxin since its foundation in 1993. The super large oval-like glass sphere in the main building of a Shanghai Science and Technology Museum symbolizes that human scientific history extends sustainably, like the course of life that is gestated. When measured by the same geometric proportion of a scale of x, the sphere, made of mesh shell and glass, is even thinner than the eggshell, which will inspire whoever inside to have such imagines that he or she were able to reach the sky or go across oceans. Shanghai Stadium was an epoch-making building at the end of the 20th century. It has been China's first point support glass curtain wall constructed by 32 spines of clear glass pieces. China Executive Leadership Academy Pudong is a training base for government leaders of all levels in this country. Its wooden truss-bound aluminum curtain walls with concealed joints highlight features of the times of this institution. Height on the Bund is a hotel standing along the bank of a Huangpu River, whose exterior wall is constructed with magnificently elegant utilized curtain walls, and whose 4 buildings are connected through with glass walkways. Rigid requirements imposed concerning the building's seismic resistance, sedimentation, and waterproofness were really rare. Modern Plaza, situated in Shanghai Hongqiao Development Zone, is a masterpiece that elaborately combines the advanced design concepts with Chinese traditional cultural elements. The continuous complexes of Shanghai Biyuan Recreational Center reveal exotic styles of different countries and are fascinated by visitors who come for the purpose of recreations, entertainment, or health keeping. The Charity Plaza in Xujiahui of Shanghai is the representation of a Gothic agriculture. The exquisite aluminum roofing not only functions as a ventilation means but also matches with the Catholic Church in the proximity. Shenzhen Cultural Center is the work of Japan's famous architect Arata Isozaki, whose exterior elevations convey the delicate charm of a harp, and the entrance adopts multi-prismatic glass ceiling composed of golden and silver trees, making the whole work have the spirituality. Hangzhou Train Station is the key project of the Zhejiang Province and the Ministry of Railway, which is characterized by unitized roof curtain wall, herringbone roofing, and a floating ceiling. The Hangzhou Grand Theater, against the curtain of night, is like a bright crescent, whose large cable points supporting upside-down coin glass curtain wall is a typical representation of the company's leading technology in the industry. Shaoxing Culture Plaza complexes scattering range with the metal and glass curtain walls alternating with 2+2 roofing systems aesthetically. Global International Plaza, the first highest building of Foshan, Guangdong, utilized aluminum honeycomb stone curtain walls at the exterior wall from the elevation of 100 meters to 200 meters, which not only reduces the cladding system weight but also maintains the consistency of impressions of the exterior elevations. Chinese Embassy in Washington, D.C. of the United States is the work of famous Chinese-American architect Liu Mingpei. The concealed flexible glass curtain wall, the unique glass window, the pyramid lighting roof, and a semi-sphere glass canopy all display the artistic enchantments of this great architect. In the 2010 Shanghai World Expo Pavilion construction projects, the company participates in the development and making of a curtain wall prototype for Chinese Pavilion and a performance center. In addition, in a number of public buildings, such as the Outlet Stadium, Shihe International Center, Greenland Emerald International Plaza, Chongqing Swimming and Diving Hall, Zaofeng Universe Building, Zaofeng Shimao Building, Shanghai Pudong International Airport, Shanghai Formula One Racing Track, Subway Songjiang New Town Station, Zhejiang University, Fudan University are all its achievements. In addition to curtain walls for architectural purpose, the company also excels at windows and doors. Zhongyuan to Sinustown, all-season panorama platform, Jingding Anbang, Downtown International Garden, Golden Heaven, and Pujiang New Town are the typical representations among all these projects that have been completed. Most of these masterpieces have won Luban Prize, White Magnolia Prize, Zhenjiang Cup, Pujiang Cup, and so on. Excellent performance stems from scientific management. Since the industry of the curtain wall, doors, and windows is characterized by numerous specifications, materials, and processes. To improve the efficiency, the company summarizes a management conclusion, in which the marketing management department coordinates design and budget and offers service to marketing project manager. The project management department coordinates design, purchase, and processing, and offers service to program project manager. And once the bid is won, the marketing management department will instantly communicate to project management department to ensure the project manager serves the client better. Moreover, the excellent performance also results from the company's innovation ability. Gaoxin has its own design institute and is engaged with a number of experienced designers and architects. In addition, it enters into the partnership with Tongji University, Shanghai Modern Design Group, Pacific Energy Center, and some internationally famous corporations. In March 2008, it founded Tongji Gaoxin System and Technology Research Center, and its production base was nominated the internship base for Tongji graduates. Research topics, including the specifications for aluminum alloy structure and the technological development on aluminum alloy composition, applied from the Ministry of Housing and Urban Rural Development, harvested many scientific prizes of a national, provincial, and municipal levels, and a number of other technological achievements have applied patents. Nature, people, and architecture to exhibit architectures with fashionable appearances and energy-efficient and environment protection philosophies. The company builds an exhibition island within the product base. Stepping on the exhibition island by passing through an aluminum alloy walkway, one will have the chance to see not only part of the sphere prototype of Shanghai Science and Technology Museum, but also a residential building that displays various sunshade devices and a public building that displays a number of novel curtain walls. All of these facilities, including the photoelectric curtain wall, the breathing curtain wall, the electric skylight, smoke exhaust, and many other mutual or electric sunshade systems, demonstrate the intelligence and the capabilities of the members of the company. Superior in quality and innovative in technology. From 1993, when the Shanghai Municipal Mansion project was initiated, up to now, when China's embassy in the United States was completed, Gaoxin has experienced 15 years of ups and downs, becomes one of the top 10 companies in China in terms of curtain wall technology innovations, and is backed with numerous prizes and awards in this field. To get proximity to nature with science and technology, to construct projects with wit, to create city image, and to build wonderful life is the everlasting goal for all workers and staff of Gaoxin Aluminum Engineering. And as integral members of the company, we would like to be partner of merchants both from home and abroad, and create a beautiful world hand in hand.